Wake up, Mommy Pig, wake up. Wake up, let's go to the supermarket. We need to cook breakfast for our children. Hello, honey, good morning. Okay, just wait for me, okay? I'm gonna wash my face. Okay. Me too. Okay, okay. Let's go to the supermarket. Oh, the kids are still sleeping. Okay, let's go to the supermarket. Oh, I want to buy juice for my son and water for me and drink for every one of us. Okay, I want also to buy strawberry and biscuit. Okay, hurry up, it's almost 7 o'clock, so we need to prepare breakfast for our family. Okay, for our kids. So let's go to the cashier. It's falling 9. Okay, okay. Okay. Good morning, sir. Welcome to the supermarket. Good morning. Oh, biscuit. Okay. How much? Okay, it's $189, sir. Okay. Okay, the total is $250.15. Sir, are you paying cash or charge? Charge. Okay, may I have your credit card, please? Okay, this is my credit card. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so sir, this is your card, okay, and you need to sign your bill. You need to sign, sir. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Just wait. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Honey, let's go. Let's go. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Okay, before we fall in line, we need to choose something to eat. Okay, we need to buy something to eat. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.